The Pratt & Whitney Additive Manufacturing Center pushes the boundaries of additive manufacturing research and helps characterize thermophysical properties of new materials and alloys. As businesses strive to increase product performance characteristics to meet ever-increasing demands within the aerospace, manufacturing, and healthcare industries, the need for stronger, tougher, and specialized sustainable materials broadens. The Pratt & Whitney Additive Manufacturing Center helps businesses develop new insights into critical materials and the characteristics that impact product development. Although 3D laser sintering is increasingly used in industrial applications, the complex process and performance characteristics of 3D printing are not always understood. UConn's Pratt & Whitney Additive Manufacturing Center's advanced equipment, including specialized powder analysis tools and printers of various make and model that allow printing and simulating multiple materials, provide an ideal environment for process testing. In addition to its additive manufacturing equipment, the lab uses sophisticated tools to help identify and validate material properties of both 3D printed components as well as traditionally manufactured materials. These tools include a high-temperature flash diffusivity analyzer, flash differential scanning calorimeter, rheometer, and Gleeble, each with unique high-precision testing and simulation capabilities for analyzing thermophysical material properties. Validation of materials characteristics gives industry clients confidence in their material choices as they explore new engineering solutions for their customers. The Pratt & Whitney Additive Manufacturing Center is part of a vibrant community of researchers and innovators working to solve real-world problems and create new opportunities for the future. With its state-of-the-art 3D printers, materials testing equipment, and team of experts, the Pratt & Whitney Additive Manufacturing Center will keep your business ahead of the competition.
The Pratt & Whitney Additive Manufacturing Center pursues research primarily for aerospace and shipbuilding applications. With the help of our industry and government partners, we identify key application challenges. We then apply fundamental research along with our advanced equipment to come up with solutions. One focus area for us is the laser processing, such as welding, or additive manufacturing and microstructure formation. And here we work closely with the Electron Microscopy Center here at the IPB. Another focus area for us is thermophysical property measurements. Here we leverage our very advanced equipment that is specialized on high temperature measurements. We also pursue research on metal powder characterization, and that is specifically for additive manufacturing. Lastly, a cross-cutting goal of our center is to nurture the next generation of material scientists so they're able to guide materials research for manufacturing in the future.